Now in today's video we're going to use the Jade Roller here to really help those puffiness and eye bags. We're then going to finish off again with the all-important lymphatic drainage release with this. So first things first, I like to start with clean skin, and I'm using a little bit of facial oil. Today I've got some castor oil here, and I'm just going to apply just a little bit to the fingers and just gently place under the eyes where the bone is. You don't need to go too far up, because whatever we apply under the eyes, it's almost going to act up like drawing blotting paper and draw within. So just applying gently, and then just to the temples, a little bit above the eyes, and just almost by the side of the nose and under the cheekbone, side of the ears, and then just placing the oil under by the side of the neck here, the SCM muscle. Again, if you've got a facial oil, that's great too. Just something for a bit of slip and glide. You don't have to, but I do tend to find whatever you do apply to your skin, when you're using this tool, it's almost like a double bubble in the way, so it's actually penetrating in even better and deeper. So what I'm going to do first, we're going to start with the larger size. Now this comes in, this is a jade roller, so it's a jade quartz. They come in lots of different materials. I have another one here. This is a rose quartz, which I rather like as well. Today we use the jade. Now you want to make sure, first things first, that it's nice and clean. You don't want to be adding any bacteria to your face, so make sure that it's been rinsed in some warm soapy water, and then final rinse with cold water. And if you want it slightly cooler as well, you can put it to the fridge before we apply around the eyes. This will also help with any inflammation as well and puffiness. So I'm going to start with the larger parts here, and we're going to just start from the ear all the way down, just to get ready for lymphatic drainage. So I'm placing behind the ear where we have plenty of lymph nodes, and just very gently gliding all the way down the big SCM muscle down to the collarbone. And this is a fairly light touch. And then onto the other side, back of the ear, down the big SCM muscle, down to the collarbone here. And one last time. So now we're going to use the smaller parts here and place my fingers as an anchor, and where that bone is under the eye, you just want to very gently glide it outwards and slightly upwards towards the temples, smoothing out those puffiness within the eyes. Again, the area around this skin around the eyes is very delicate and fine, so you only need a very light, delicate touch here. And you will find by using this roller, you're actually moving toxins and waste within the lymph by doing a feather-like touch. But it also will actually help with those wrinkles as well. And then let's do the other side. Again, just very lightly placing under and just coming along. Again, if you like, you can place your hand if you feel like your skin may be stretching. It shouldn't be, because this is a very light, delicate touch. And then we're going to take the smaller part, and we're just going to come up to where between our eyes here. And again, you just want to very gently glide upwards. Again, very, very light. You don't want to mark the skin. And this will also help calm the nervous system down as well. And then taking the larger part, just coming along under the eyebrows, towards the ears. Or towards the temples, sorry. And then on the other side. So now we're going to take the tool here, and just between where our eye is and just here above our eyebrow here, we've got a little point here, and you can just very, very lightly massage that as well with the tool, feather-light touch. And then just come from under the eyebrow towards the temples. And then on the other side, again, very lightly. And then just under the eyebrow towards the temples. And then again, under the eyes towards the temples. Now you can, if you like, spend more time on this, or obviously if you need a bit less time, you just do these with less repetitions. And then on the other side, towards the temples, nice and light. And then I like to move down by the side of the nose towards the temples, towards the nostril, and then under the cheekbone towards the ears. So drawing everything down as well towards the lymph nodes around the ears. And then again on the other side. So again, side of the nose towards those nostrils. And then under the cheekbone towards the ears. And one last time. And then taking the larger part, we're going to come now to the temple area and just glide down along the hairline towards the front of the ears, the bottom of the front. Again, we have plenty of lymph nodes in this area. And then behind the ear as well. More lymph nodes. And then glide down that big SCM muscle down to the collarbone where we first started. And again on the other side, from the temples, just gliding down the hairline towards the front bottom of the ear. And then behind the ear where we have plenty of lymph nodes as well for our final lymphatic drainage release. And then from the bottom of the ear down that big SCM muscle down towards the collarbone. And then where our collarbone is here, just above, we have some indentations again. So if you just give those a few gentle presses, and this will release all the toxins and waste to really help with the puffiness on the eyes and also those eye bags using our Jade Roller tool here. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing, and a thumbs up really helps with the algorithm. And also comment down below, tell me if there's any other facial massage exercises or any facial lymphatic drainage you'd like me to share with you. I also do fascia work as well, and I really look forward to seeing you in the next video. Okay, bye.